Ever struggled with combining multiple pieces of text in Excel without spending hours on copy-paste? Well, in just a few clicks, the TEXTJOIN function can save you tons of time. And today I'll show you step by step using real sales data. Okay, let's jump in. Here we have a small sales dataset. Column A is product names, column B shows the salesperson, and column C lists the sales amount. Now, let's say we want to create a single cell that combines all the product names into one line, separated by commas. Instead of typing them manually, we'll use the TEXTJOIN function. First, select an empty cell and type equals TEXTJOIN. Open parenthesis. This function tells Excel we want to join multiple text values. The first argument is the delimiter. In this case, I typed comma and space inside double quotes. So each item will be separated by a comma and a space. The second argument is ignore empty. By typing true, Excel will skip any blank cells. The third argument is the range of cells we want to combine. Here, it's A2 to A5, which contains all product names. The full formula looks like this. Now, press enter. And just like that, all product names are neatly combined in one cell. Now for a more advanced example. We'll combine both product names and sales numbers. Here, I join column A with column C, adding the word units after each number. Just update the formula. Here, the ampersand symbol is used to join text together. This adds a dash and a space after each product name. To make it even more professional, we'll place the $sign before each number, so it reads like real sales data. Next is C2 to C5, the sales numbers. This is perfect for creating quick sales summaries without writing them manually. Press enter and done. And that's how easy it is to use the TEXTJOIN function in Excel, whether you're combining product names, sales data, or full reports. No more messy copy-paste. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.